Hello friends, my name is Monica Chagan Shinde and today's date is 15th of July 2021 and our today's video topic is methods of object and with its explanation. Then firstly what we will talk about the object class. Object class is the base class for the all classes presented in Java. Object class is a it can be called as a parent class of the remaining classes in a Java. We can say that then object class will beneficial to us if we don't know about any object which where it is referencing or what. Then the object class can be referred to know what where the object will referred. For that object class can be used. Then object class is the topmost class in a Java. Object class can defines the state and the behavior of the object in a Java. Then every class which are presented in a Java program can directly or indirectly extend to the parent as a base class of object. Means every means every class in Java can be a child class of the object class, we can say. Even though even though we are not using the extend keyword, that class extends to object, even though the class in Java can extend to the object class, the extend keyword doesn't matter here. So it's all about the object class. Now we will learn about the some methods which we can use for the object one. So basically we all know the methods can be written in a rounded brackets. In a Java there are some inbuilt methods which we can used for the object one. So the first method is a string to string method. That to string method will give the representation of the object or the specified object, we can say. That is, to string method will represent the object, we can say. So it is an overridden method. So the second method is a void finalize. The finalize method can be called by the garbage collector. As we all know about the garbage collector are the one who will store the objects or the any value which we are not using in a Java or in a program also. So the void finalize will call the garbage collector, and collectors determines the object is used in a Java project or not. If there is no more references of the particular object, then garbage collector will contain will determine it as a garbage one. Then this is all about the void finalize. The next method is boolean equals. Boolean equals method will determines whether the other objects are equals to particular object or not. Then the next method is object clone. It will creates and returns the copy of the object. Then next method is a class get class. It will return the runtime class of the object. Then int hash code. The int hash code method will gives the hash code value of the given object. Then void wait method. In that method, it will notify it will cause to thread to wait it will causes to thread to wait even if there is no notify method is called, or the thread is in a thread doesn't invokes the notify method or notify all method, then void wait method will void wait method will the current void will method creates the current thread into a waiting state, like that only. Then the next one is a notify one. The notify method will wakes up the single thread. Then the notify all method, void notify all method, it will wakes up all the threads which will monitors about the object one. So these are some important methods of the class object. Then all these are the some class object methods. So thank you.